Planning a trip to Singapore? One moment, it's sunny. The next, it's a sudden downpour. With its unpredictable tropical climate, Singapore can be hot, humid, and rainy, all in the same day. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the best time to visit, what to expect, and exactly what to pack so you can explore Singapore comfortably, no matter the weather. Understanding Singapore's climate. Singapore is located near the equator, meaning it's warm and humid all year round. There are no four seasons, just wet and dry periods. Singapore's daily temperatures range from 27 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius, but the humidity makes it feel even hotter. Humidity levels between 75% to 90%, the air feels heavy and sticky, especially in the afternoons. Showers can happen anytime, even under clear skies. Rain in Singapore is usually warm and short-lived, so it won't disrupt your plans for long. Pro tip: always carry an umbrella or poncho, not just for the rain, but also for sun protection. When is the best time to visit Singapore? Singapore is a year-round destination, but depending on what you want to do, some months are better than others. Dry season, February to September. Best for outdoor activities like Sentosa Island, Gardens by the Bay, and cycling at East Coast Park. Expect more sunshine, less rain, but still humid. Hottest months, March to May, July to September, temperatures can hit 34 degrees Celsius or higher. Crowds. June to August sees school holidays, meaning long lines at attractions. Wet season, November to January. Best for indoor activities like shopping, museums, and food tours. Expect frequent thunderstorms, sudden showers, and cooler breezes. Downside, heavy rain can lead to water pooling in some areas, so it's best to allow extra time for travel and plan indoor alternatives. So, when is the best time to visit? February, March, September, and October offer a good balance of weather, fewer crowds, and exciting events. Avoid December and January if you don't like heavy rain, and be prepared for extreme heat in June and July. What to expect each month in Singapore? Instead of listing month by month, let's group the weather patterns so it's easier to understand. Hot and sunny months, March to May, July to September. Expect high temperatures, high humidity, minimal rain. Best for beach days, Universal Studios Singapore, rooftop bars, and outdoor markets. Travel tip: plan outdoor activities in the morning or late evening to avoid the midday heat. Rainy and monsoon months, November to January, June to early July. Expect frequent heavy rain, occasional thunderstorms. Best for indoor attractions, food hunting, and shopping. Travel tip: always check the weather app before heading out and carry a rain jacket or umbrella. Transition periods, February, late July to October. Expect a mix of sunny and rainy days with some cool breezes. Best for exploring nature trails, cultural sites, and outdoor dining. Travel tip: bring light, breathable clothing, but carry a jacket for air-conditioned places. What to pack for Singapore's weather? Packing smart will make your trip so much more comfortable. Here's what you need: light, breathable clothing, sunscreen and sunglasses, a hat or cap, compact umbrella or poncho, comfortable walking shoes, waterproof sandals or sneakers, a refillable water bottle, mosquito repellent, mini towel or portable fan, light jacket or shawl. How to beat the heat and rain like a local. Want to explore Singapore comfortably? Follow these insider tips. Start early. The coolest time is between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. Avoid the afternoon heat. Stay indoors from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Use sheltered walkways. Many MRT stations connect directly to malls. No need for an umbrella. Check real-time weather updates. Use weather at SG or Google Weather to track rain patterns. Have a flexible itinerary. If rain disrupts your plans, switch to an indoor attraction nearby. Now you know exactly what to expect, when to visit, and what to pack for Singapore's unpredictable weather. Whether you're here for the food, nature, or city sights, planning ahead will make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. When's your favorite time to visit Singapore? Let me know in the comments. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. See you in the next video. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels! Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips.